Hello students, welcome to the third lecture of module 1 in power electronics and instrumentation. Today we'll solve two problems on SCR. Today we'll solve the two problems on SCR. The first problem is the latching current of the thyristor circuit shown in figure below is 50 milliamps. The duration of the pulse is 50 microsecond. Will the thyristor get turn on? Will the thyristor means what? Will this SCR will turn on? Will this SCR will turn on? Thyristor means here. Thyristor here means it is the thyristor means here the SCR, which is this one. Thyristor means here. They are asking whether this thyristor will turn on with this circuit. The conditions what they have given, the latching current is IL, which is 50 milliamps, and one more, the duration of the pulse T is 50 microsecond. Check whether this thyristor T1 will turn on. The SCR will turn on with respect to latching current. When we talk, how we define the SCR is, what is latching current? Latching current is the current above which SCR will turn on. Above which SCR will turn on. What is the holding current? Holding current is the current below which SCR is off. Means what? In the graph we have seen in the previous class, this is the characteristic of SCR. Our holding current will come here, below which SCR is off. Our latching current will come here, above which SCR is on. I will draw once again and I will show you what is latching and the holding current. The characteristic we have seen, this is the characteristic of SCR, where this is IA and this is VAK. Our latching current will come here, means at this point. Means what? Above latching current SCR will be on. Holding current will come here, IH, below which SCR is off. So, if we calculate the current in the circuit, if we calculate the current flowing in the circuit, if it is more than the latching current, if we calculate I flowing in the circuit, if it is more than the latching current, then the SCR or thyristor is on. If the current flowing in the circuit means here, this current, if it is less than the latching current, then the thyristor SCR is off. So we'll calculate now the current, this current in the circuit. The given data here is V is given as 100 volt. Here the given data is V here given as 100 volt. They have given resistance as 220 ohm, inductance as 0.5 Henry. We need to calculate the current in the circuit. And tau is given as L by R. Inductance is 0.5 where resistance is 20. It is 0.025. Then current flowing in the circuit is given by V by R into 1 minus e raised to minus t by tau. Voltage is given as 100, resistance is given as 20, 1 minus e raised to minus duration is given as 50 milliamps in the question. Duration is given as 50 milliamps divided by tau is 0.025. If you calculate this in the calculator, the answer is 9.99 milliamps, which is less than the latching current. How much is the latching current they have given? Latching current is given as of the SCR is 50 milliamps, which is less than 50 milliamps. So SCR is off. It is 50 microsecond they have given duration. 50 microsecond. Then we get 9.99, which is less than the latching current given in the question. So SCR is off. I'll repeat once again the numerical. Here they have given, they are asking us to check whether this SCR will turn on. They are asking us to check whether this SCR will turn on, and they have given the latching current. They have given the latching current. With respect to latching current, if you want to check whether the SCR is on or off, so the procedure is, this circuit current we should calculate, and if it is more than this latching current, SCR is on. If it is less than this latching current, SCR is off. They have given duration as 50 microsecond. What is latching current? Above which SCR is on. What is holding current? IH. Below which SCR is off. If the current I in the circuit, if it is more than latching current, SCR is on. Otherwise SCR is off. So we need to calculate this current. The current formula of this circuit is, if I want to calculate, I is equals to V by R 1 minus e raised to minus t by tau. V is here 100, R is 20 they have given, 1 minus e raised to t is given as 50 microsecond in the question they have given, tau we should calculate. Tau is calculated as L divided by R, where L is also given as 0.5, R is given 20. Calculate and then substitute here. You will get the latching current as 9.99 of the circuit. Current flowing in the circuit is 9.99, which is less than this 50 microamps. So SCR is off. We'll take the second numerical. The latching current. The latching current is IL. Here it is given as 4 milliamps. Obtain the minimum width of the gate pulse required to turn on the SCR. Means T we are supposed to calculate. T we are supposed to calculate. Here they have given only inductor. So to calculate the T, the voltage across the inductor is given as L di by dt. I am supposed to calculate this T, or V is equals to L I by T. When the SCR is on, this current becomes latching current. I becomes the latching current. This I becomes the latching current, and the latching current is 0.5 milliamps. I am supposed to calculate T. So T becomes L into I divided by V. L into I divided by V. Now T is equals to L they have given as 0.1 Henry into I becomes, now when the SCR is on, we need to calculate the gate pulse required, the duration of the gate pulse required to turn on the SCR. So this current becomes latching current, I becomes latching. So how much is latching? 4 milliamps. So 4 into 10 raised to minus 3 divided by voltage they have given as 100. If you enter this in the calculator and if you calculate, it becomes 4 microsecond. This is the way how we calculate the duration of the pulse. I'll repeat once again this numerical. The latching current is 4 milliamps, means IL is given as 4 milliamps. Obtain the minimum width of the gate pulse, means this T I am supposed to calculate, which is required to turn on the SCR. In the circuit we have power supply, inductor and then SCR. Then voltage across the inductor is given by the formula V is equals to L di by dt. Here they have asked this small t. So this formula becomes L into I by t. I am supposed to calculate here t. So t becomes, if I take this t on this side, this becomes L into I by V, or this L is what? Inductor. So inductor value is given in the question as 0.1 Henry. So this is 0.1 into current. This current is what now? This pulse width required to turn on the SCR. SCR will turn on when the current becomes, the current flowing in this circuit becomes I is equals to the latching current, because we have seen what is latching current. This is important parameter. What is latching current? This is latching current, above which SCR will turn on. What is holding current? This is holding current, below which SCR is off. Yes, they have given the SCR is on, means current flowing in this circuit is, this I is latching current. So this is replaced by latching. Voltage is given as 100 volt. This is 100 volt. If I enter this much value in the calculator, it becomes 4 microsecond. I'll just repeat the previous problem, what we have done. I'll just repeat this problem. What is being asked here? Here in the problem, latching current is given. Latching current of thyristor circuit is 50 milliamps. IL is 50 milliamps they have given. Duration of the pulse T is given as 50 microsecond. Check whether the SCR thyristor, this will turn on or no. With the given 100 volt, this much 20 ohm, 0.5 is connected here, whether this SCR will turn on or no. And if the latching current is given IL, how to check whether the SCR is on or no? If the current, this current flowing in the circuit I, if it is equal to or greater than latching current, then the SCR is on. Current flowing I, if it is less than the latching current, then the SCR is off. So I am supposed to calculate the current here. I am supposed to calculate the current flowing in the circuit. The current flowing in the circuit is given by I is equals to V by R 1 minus e raised to minus t by tau. V is given as 100, R is given here as 20, 1 minus e raised to t is given as 50 microsecond, and tau I am supposed to calculate. Tau is L divided by R. Substitute this here and find the current. And if we find the current, it becomes 9.99, which is less than the latching current, so thyristor or SCR is off. So second numerical is latching current IL is given. The latching current IL is given. Duration of the pulse is been asked. In the circuit we have inductor, we have voltage. So voltage across the inductor is L di by dt. We are supposed to calculate this time. So L into I by T. So T is equals to, if you just rearrange this, L I by V. Or V here, L here is 0.1 Henry. This I becomes the latching current, then only SCR will turn on 4 milli by 100, 4 microsecond. This is the duration of the pulse. Thank you.